In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up channels within your system so that when someone sends an email to your support email address, that email will be sent into the system and created as a support ticket. So this is how we are going to set that up. So I'm going to navigate over to our help desk by clicking on help desk over here on the left-hand side. Then I'm going to click setup, and then I'm going to click channels. And now I want to add my first channel, and I'm going to select the channel type, which is going to be an email in this case. And then here is where I will put that email address that I own that I'm going to use as my support email address. So if you hover over the tooltip, it will give you that same thing. So any emails sent to this email address that you put in here will be forwarded to the system email, which is this email below. So that's going to create a new ticket within the system. So I'm going to create a new email address. I'm going to say support@demo.com. And then I would choose my department. I can choose specific departments. I could create a new department that is specific for emails being sent to this email address. So I could go ahead and do that and say email support, and select my agents, and then select tiers if I want them, or ticket types, and forms. I'm just going to select the default form and hit save. And so now that department has been selected for this type of support ticket being submitted. Then I would have my priority, and this is the automatic priority. And then you have your system email over here. And what you're going to do with this email address is you are going to copy this email address, and you're going to go to your email host, like Gmail or Zoho, whichever one it is that you're using for your business. You're going to go there and you're going to set up forwarding so that any emails that are being sent to this specific email address that you've set up here are going to be forwarded to this system email over here. That is how it is going to create new tickets within the system. Now, I can't show you how to do this in every single one of the different email hosts that are out there. So you're going to need to follow these specific steps for your specific email provider, but it is really quite straightforward. And if you do need help, you can always Google that or reach out to the specific support teams to help you set up forwarding for those email addresses. All right, and then I'm going to go ahead and hit save. So once you have done that, once you have set up forwarding in your email provider and you've used that system email, any emails sent to this email will create a new ticket within the system. So that is how you can create channels for your help desk to ensure that any emails being sent to your support email are indeed being sent to your help desk within the system. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to customize your inbox and fully utilize all the different features of the help desk inbox. I'll see you there.